Okay, to solve this equation, you need to take that 2 and use the power rule to put it back there. So log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x squared equals log base 3 of 7x minus 3. And we had to do that so that I can use the product law to squish those. So I'll squish those to become log base 3 of the product of that and that. So 2 times x squared equals log base 3, 7x minus 3. And now I can use the property of logarithmic equality because I'm taking the log of something equal to the log of something. Those two somethings have to be the same. So I can basically drop the logs. So I have 2x squared equals 7x minus 3. It's a quadratic, so I'll bring everything over to the left. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Then I'll try and factor it. And I think it's 2x and x, 3 and 1, and everything's a minus. 2x squared minus 6x, yeah, that's right, equals 0. 0 property, 2x minus 1 is 0, where x minus 3 is 0. So add 1 to both sides, divide both sides by 2, add 3 to both sides, and then check. So can I put either one of these answers back either here or here and come up with a negative answer? I don't think so. So I would suggest that both of those are correct. You can, if you want, just plug this into decimals using a half for x and just see what you come up with, and then put the half in there and see if you come up with the same thing. You should. I think both of those would be correct.